Hi everyone, it's Julie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you guys a really simple, delicious, quick recipe for a chocolate mug cake. And literally all you need is just a medium-sized mug and ingredients. You're just gonna mix it in here and microwave it for about 2 minutes, and that's it. You have this delicious chocolate mug cake that you can make in an instant. So I really like this recipe because if you're wanting something sweet and you don't want to make an actual full cake, but you want like a cake to snack on, this is a great recipe for that you don't have to wait for it to bake like you would a traditional cake. And with Valentine's coming up on Friday, this is a nice quick fun recipe to share with your loved ones. I'm actually going to be making this mug cake for my 2-year-old son because he is just at that stage where he can kind of spoon the cake and have fun with it. So this will be his Valentine's cake for this Friday. So let's go ahead and get started with what you'll need for the ingredients. Okay guys, so I'm going to let my son taste this, and this will be the true testament of how good this recipe is. So this is his first time trying it. Let's see how he likes it. Okay, so, yummy? Is it good? Do you like it?
Daddy?
So he looks like he likes the recipe, he likes the cake. So definitely give this one a try. It's super quick, easy, fun, and it's just a nice, great way to satisfy your sweet tooth in a short amount of time. So as always, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel to receive weekly videos on healthy plant-based recipes. Have a great Valentine's Day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!